Hello again, and welcome to our look at the Friday, October 24th trading session. In front of you, I have the economic calendar as usual, and not a lot to pay attention to. Really, we think that most of the attention will be paid to the United Kingdom and the GDP quarter-over-quarter numbers, anticipated to come out at 3% year-over-year and 0.7% quarter-over-quarter. It, of course, will move the FTSE and perhaps the British pound, but after that, we really don't see a whole lot to look at. Possibly new home sales late in the day in America, but really that hasn't had the effect on the marketplace that it once did. Most people understand that the housing market in America is sluggish. Therefore, it really doesn't command the kind of respect that it would have, say, 5 or 7 years ago. With all of that being said, the euro dollar continues to look fairly negative. A pretty neutral candle for Thursday, but really 126 giving way almost guarantees a move to 125. And we do think that happens. I mean, we're obviously in a very negative marketplace. So we are buyers of puts as the market should continue to drop. Looking over at the British pound, of course, those British numbers early in the day. GDP numbers could influence this market. We are testing the 1.60 level, which of course has psychological significance, but really we've been as low as 1.59. So having said that, I'm not too overly concerned about whether or not we can break down from here. I think it's obvious we can, so that number could cause a bit of volatility. We are, on the whole, buyers of puts. Even if we rally, perhaps some kind of weakness towards the top of this area around 1.62 could offer a nice put buying opportunity as well. Over at the FTSE, we've had a bit of a supportive day. We continue to test the 6,400 level. Those GDP numbers should, in fact, throw us over the 6,400 number if they come in a little better than anticipated. Otherwise, expect a very benign type of trading session as the markets just look a little on the sluggish side. And lastly, you can see that the S&P 500 continues to go higher. We believe that will be the case going forward. We like buying dips by going long calls. We don't really have any interest in buying puts as we believe the S&P 500 will continue to outperform most stock indexes around the world. With that being said, we anticipate that this might be a fairly quiet session in the back half. It is Friday. So really, with not a whole lot out there to move the market during North America, you probably expect a fairly early close to your trading day. With that, we have taken a look at the October 24th trading session.